Hello there everyone, cryptolifer here. So in this live stream I'm going to discuss some Bitcoin targets further in this week and many more to discuss about where will Bitcoin go further. So without wasting a time, without waiting a six single minute, let's talk about it. And please make sure you follow me on my Twitter because I post live trades out there. So please make sure you follow me out there. That's important thing. Okay. And I think Bitcoin is still at good area. We're gonna discuss this things, and we have long some coins on our premium Telegram channel and also in our free Telegram channel. So please make sure you join my free Telegram channel. I provide discuss this things, and we have lots of clients on our premium Telegram channel and also in our free Telegram channel. So please make sure you join. Sorry for the sibilance. And okay, let's start the live stream. I just share this message with our group that I've came in live because I came in urgently. I have to update you, so that's why. Okay, so let me just on my Telegram. Okay, set, very good. Okay, I will try to keep live daily from today, so please make sure you follow me because I will post live trades out here, so it's your duty to join it. Okay, let me just paste links on my Telegram. Okay, I just pasted these things. So let's jump in the BTC chart, what I'm looking currently. So let me just explain briefly what I'm thinking that BTC will do further, and let's jump in detail on this one because I'm seeing some kind of reversal right here that BTC will do some reversal, and I'm expecting a reversal at this area because we have already grabbed the major liquidity standing around this area. And okay, my Solana trade is actually performing well, by the way. Okay, let me just see where we have now. Previously we are in loss. Okay, Solana is performing well, by the way. Solana is doing well. Okay, I'm in profit of $2,000 in Solana. I've longed at around 153 because Solana has very bullish momentum in it, and that's why I've longed it. And okay, Ethereum trade in loss, by the way, because we have taken all the entries, but we are still doing DCS, and I have planning that we will put more money in Ethereum because I'm looking that Ethereum will go much higher from this area, and that's why I'm trying to DC it in Ethereum. But Solana trade is performing well. Solana long at 153, and we have almost reached our target 155.500, so that's a pretty good profit, almost $2 of move if you have long almost 50-60 Solanas right here, so you will almost make $200 to $300 easily, and I have long that, and I will share this profit cards with you on my free Telegram channel, so please make sure you go and join me there. And let's see how BTC will move further, because I'm looking at the USDT dominance. I'm expecting that USDT dominance will go at least for this area. If you look at here, that this is the area where I'm expecting that USDT dominance will fall, but USDT dominance currently is pumping, and I think here at this area maybe we get rejection from we will place a wick around this area, and we will take some kind of rejection, go down below. And if you look at here also, that we have that retest kind of thing in USDT dominance. And if anybody don't know what is USDT dominance stands for, USDT dominance is the money flow in US dollar. Whenever the flow in US dollars gets rises, the Bitcoin will always dump. And why Bitcoin will dump? Because people is converting more in US dollar than Bitcoin, so that's why whenever USDT dominance rises, Bitcoin always falls. So I'm currently looking that there is a bearish retest in USDT dominance. Look at that area, so I'm expecting that a strong reversal in Bitcoin. It's okay, and that's some kind of good thing. And if you look at another thing that I'm currently looking at, is we are at support that we have created in almost since the era of $56,000. So we have supported by this trend line, and we again came at the support, and so that's another bullish thing. Might be pump up to $63,000 to 64k. So interesting to see what will happen. And if we see at liquidation heat map, let's see where the major amount of liquidity stands. At morning I have checked that the 3 hours time frame, okay, we have still 700 to 800. I mentioned this area, and my stop loss is below $61,000, and that's my stop loss. And our area, our price targets for Bitcoin long position that we are DCA'd, our first entry at 63k, and our second entry would be at 62,500. 2 entries has been filled up, and our next entry would be at 62. I think that's also filled up, maybe. Okay, almost filled up. And our last entry would be at 62,700 to 62,500, and below $61,000 closing in 4 hours or daily time frame. I will close this trade and book my losses, and that's my planning for BTC. Okay, so that's my plan. And yes, okay, let's try to find some trades out here, but markets is not look like in clear direction. That's why I will try to avoid risky trades. I will try to trade one or two. I try to take one or two trades, but I will majorly don't risk too much here. Okay. Bitcoin, come on. Sorry. Okay. Give me just 1 second, guys. Let me invite more people. I think people don't know we are live. Give me 1 second, guys. Okay. If you don't know about what happens for Telegram CEO, so let me jump in with that news also, and let me explain you what actually happens with Pavel Durov, and let me just briefly explain you guys what the real crap is. So if we hold it this trade, okay, if we hold it this trade, we will in massive profit, by the way. I've posted this trade on my free Telegram, and I have closed around $63,500. I've taken from 64k, but okay, in 1 month, let's see how much liquidity we have above us. Yeah, I'm going to discuss about Pavel also, so please make sure you don't leave live stream, so please be with us. A bit network issue is here. Okay, over 3 months liquidity around let me see, BTC liquidity, not BTC, Binance. Okay, okay, we have the right data here. So we have almost $7 billion. Liquidity is standing around 70k, almost $2 to $3 billion of liquidity, around 68k. So 68k is a reachable target, and I think we having a retest of this area. So how this whole thing has happened, let me explain you briefly. Okay, so first we have getting rejected by this area. Let me just put in my marker right here. So first we have getting rejected by this area around $60,000 to $61,000. First we have getting rejected by this area, and then when we break this area, majority of retailers have placed their longs right here at blindly. They open longs blindly. Basically I want to say that they open longs blindly, and when they open longs that blindly, so market need to hit their stop losses. We are standing around this area, and exactly market has done that thing, and market has hunted their stop losses around this area. So that's what happened, and if we close below this, so I think we will go much lower from here, maybe 58k. So I will take a shot if it goes down from here. So until now I'm not going to take any short positions, but against the market odds, Solana is looking really bullish, and that's why I have long Solana around 53 here. Almost here we have long, almost the bottom of the box, and that's why I have long Solana. But we are seeing that some bullish outcomes from this one. So if you look at dollar is still bearish. We don't have to think about it much, but one another thing is that dollar is at support, and maybe we see some volatility around this area, but I'm expecting some sort of bullish from here if we get the level of 162 to 161,500, and once we close below 161, this is going to be pretty bad for us. But until this, we are still very good. We are still standing at very good position. Okay, and let's look at the tenor. Weak altcoins will always breaks much than strong ones, so I prefer known to trade in that weak altcoins. So that's why I don't looking at currently. I have taken a link short, by the way, in our premium Telegram channel, link down description below. So we have taken a short in link around this area at exact resistance of link, and so many people are telling that look at the volume, look at the what you can say, look at the momentum of link, how it will how it was going, are you mad, why are you taking that short? But when we take the short around this area exactly at 60, around 60, if you look at here, I'm gonna show, let me zoom in for you guys. So here's the zoom version. So I have taken exact short around this area of 112.60 to 112, my average price was 112.58. So when we take this short, and suddenly link has started falling, and how I taken this short, by looking at just their liquidity, because more amount of liquidation are still standing below us, and people was longing link like crazy from top of the candle. So that's why it has been not sort of fake out, but take a rejection from its resistance, and that's what we have seen in it. Okay, ICP Solana, please Solana, give me my $158 target around this 157, sorry, $157 target. Our first target would be 157 in Solana. I think it's pretty good move to catch out. And you can still book here some profits if you have a little bit less capital, because if you have less capital, it's always good to book profits. Okay, instead of not booking it, you have to book some profits if you have less capital, because you don't know how much is gonna fall. So that's why I prefer to book a profit if you have less capital. Okay, that's Bitcoin is still grabbing that liquidity, but I think we are almost at our bottom. Maybe we get a wick around this area of $500 to $600. Okay, maybe we get wick around this area and we'll start again. But I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin dominance is one thing is something to concern about it for altcoins, because it's pumping, shooting like crazy, and our next resistance, sort of resistance, we can say that before a parabolic move in altcoins, this is a local resistance where we have almost 57.80 to 57.70, So this is our local resistance. If we break this, so our target would be 158.10 to 158, and this is the area I am thinking that we get a strong reversal in Bitcoin dominance, and where our alts will perform really well. And if Bitcoin dominance reaches at 158, I am going to add on my bags with some coins. And if you want to know which coins I'm going to add it, you make sure you join my free Telegram channel. Okay, so I'm going to add my bags around that level. And total market cap, okay, total market cap also looking some kind of bullish retest. If you look at it, this in smaller time frame, you'll always get in fear. But if you look at in bigger time frame, in daily time frame, you look at here, that's we are having a healthy sort of retest right here. So we don't need to fear in this situation. And if we break this area below, so simply we have to book our losses. That's the trading. Okay, I'm not a god right here that I'm gonna predict that Bitcoin will go at 70k tomorrow, Bitcoin will go at 80k tomorrow. I'm not going to do that things. My job is to buy at the good levels, and as I mentioned, I'm gonna long here, so I'm gonna long here, and if it breaks below, I'm gonna take my losses. That's the simple thing. And there's no point of holding your losses that Bitcoin will go down below $59,000 or $58,000 and you're still holding with your long positions. That's a stupid, that's a what you can say, that's a bullshit kind of thing you are doing. So my trading is simple. If we close below 4 hours or daily time frame below my support region, I've lost my trade. I admire that, I accept that, basically, that I have done a mistake, market has faked out here. Okay, so I have to book my losses, and that's the lesson, that's the trading, not more than that. There's no indicators, there's no fucking anything to have it. It's just a pure price action, it's just pure support and resistance trading. So that's the simple thing we do in our premium Telegram channel also. So that's the simple thing to be successful in this job. Okay, I've talked way too much. Okay, say 15 minutes makes. I basically don't prefer to take trades in altcoins. I just prefer to take maximum trades on my Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ondo, or some top 5 altcoins. So I don't prefer in low caps. Why? Because if it goes pretty bad, I can hold it without any hesitation. That I know that Bitcoin will not go more down without any news, but altcoins will bleed much heavier than anything else. So that's my thinking about it. And if you haven't watched our premium report, where we, if you look at our premium reports also, where we have okay, here I think I have posted our report. So if you look at here, so we almost we majorly trade in Bitcoin and Ethereum, Solana. We will not see, you really rarely see that I have traded in meme coins or any other shit coins. I don't trade in that. So look at here, Solana, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So within this, we have made almost 177% of ROI within trading this. So not taking more risk for lump sum or for risky tokens like Pepe or Shiba, like meme coins, small cap meme coins that moves like crazy parabolic, and some people trade out there, but I don't prefer basically to trade out meme coins I trade in Dex Greener. I trade in that meme coins on spot. I trade on Phantom Wallet, but I'm not trading in. I don't future trade that. Okay, that's my simple strategy. And if you want to make profit like this by just trading this simple things, keeping things really simple, so you can just go and join. Link down description below. And currently we are having a discount for yearly commitments, so you can just go and join. So our yearly commitments are almost, we can take at $10. We will get 12 months of subscription, and this is for only 5 members who join first. Okay, so please make sure you go and join. Okay, so Solana, come on man, give me my targets. That morning Solana is trading around 159 to $160. Holy shit. Ethereum BTC looks bearish. Means the BTC has more dominance than Ethereum in the market. Okay. They're not looking. Okay, Neo is looking some kind of bearish. Yeah, Neo is looking bearish, but in daily time frame, by the way. So can take a trade here, but it's not on current market price. You cannot take a trade in current market price. You have to take trade in at a retest, but maybe Bitcoin will pump, so near will follow it. So it's done pretty risky. You take it now. Okay. So again, I'm saying that Bitcoin is just doing a liquidation games right here. We are, our main motive, our main targets are around 68 to 70k for shorter time, and our big time targets are almost at 120 to $150,000. So that's our targets, and that's the thing, and that's my point of view on Bitcoin. Okay, so let me give some altcoins. You can buy in this dip, and that will perform really well further. So if you are ready, so please type yes in chat, so I will suggest you some altcoins you can buy in this dip, and you will get very profitable. Okay, choose some comments in our live, so I will suggest it. Okay, okay. Are you, if you are there, so please comment some if you want to know which altcoins to buy right now, and you will get profitable. Okay, Bitcoin is too volatile. Solana is trying to hold this level, and if you want to long it, I think this is still very good area to long Solana. If Solana comes at 153,500 to 153, you can take a DC entry, and then you will have another. You can take another entry at 151, then 151 to 150. So that's a good DC amount you will get. Okay. We are currently doing DC in Bitcoin, and let me see how we have TC it. Okay, so we have currently all in Ethereum. Ethereum almost $200 in loss on my challenge account, because we have long around 140 1000 sorry 2700 2740 around. We have long Ethereum, and we have long Bitcoin around 50 to 800 sorry $63,000, and we have DC done to now 62k, and then we make another entry right there. So that's why. So our Solana trade is still looking good. Okay. We're not having much momentum in the market right now. We're actually not having much momentum in market right now. So what we can do now? I think this is a good area to long Solana. You can long it right here. 153,500 is a good area to long Solana. You can long Solana right here. I'm expecting some strong reversal in Solana and Bitcoin both from here. I think tomorrow morning we will standing around 64k, maybe 63,500, 63k. Okay, so if we grab the liquidity right around this area, so maybe we will stand around that area. In short time frame, we have liquidity. We have liquidity right here. Almost $44 million of liquidations, around 61,800. So this could be likely. So you can take a scalp shot right here, and we'll get low targets, by the way. So not advice, by the way. So it's your choice. If you want to take it, you can take it. A bit easy short, but it's quite risky and will have less profit. So CME futures looks still good. CME futures still looks good. Link, no, I've already checked that. Suggest me any coin if you want to check it out. Suggest me any coin if you want to check out. Suggest me, guys, and if any coin if you want to check it out, you can suggest me right here. Okay, which coin you are looking at? Okay, one guy has commented fetch. Let's see, fetch. Where is fetch? Fat USDD. Fetch. Okay, fetch. A very decent amount of supports around this area. Me analyzing daily time frame. So your fetch is trying to do a V-shape kind of recovery, and we have support around this area 1.11. we have support around this area, and if we came back like this, so we can create a inverse head and shoulder pattern, and inverse head and shoulder pattern is obviously a bullish pattern in the market. So the inverse head and shoulder looks like this, and once we break this and then we break this area, so maybe we go higher around, maybe we take higher targets around this 1.77 to 2.30 higher targets in fetch, but currently it's looks like taking a rejection from here, and I think we have some sort of rejection like this also, maybe. LTC, any other coins you have to check out? Please comment me down. Any other coin? Okay. To enter. Okay. Hey, I am struggling with capital. Can you please help me? Bro, I wish I can help you, but I have a sort of solution. If anyone is struggling for capital, but you still need some money, because in this market you can get with $50 or $20. You just need to have some money in your wallet. So you just need to have some kind of money. I'm saying at least $100. If you manage to make at least $100 from anywhere. Liquidated. Okay, voided. Liquidated on my BTC long XD. I've already mentioned that you have to take a swing trade, by the way. avoided, I have to tell you that we have to use low leverage, and I have also using low leverage around 53,600, 53,500. So if how much how much capital you have liquidated, I think we are still on our $500 of balance in our challenge account, so we still not get liquidated because we use low leverages. I've never recommend use more than 20x, but I still using this trade almost 12 to 15x leverage on this Bitcoin long position. So if you hold it, I think we still getting entered in our trades. We have still not completely DC'd our areas. Okay, can you please DM me? Turning $20 into 200 right now. Can you just DM me on my Telegram? Currently you are at $33. How much your previous balance, by the way, before this one, before getting liquidated, by the way? $36. I don't prefer to trade with that much low balance. And I think you haven't taken the Solana trade. Solana trade is also doing very well, by the way. But I will prefer you to get funded with accounts. You will get up to $5,000 of account, and where you can withdraw up to 90% of your profits. Let me just show you. Okay, don't be, it's all I have right now. Okay, I'm always trading with less leverage. You have never seen me trading with more than 20x in my swing trades. At least if I have to do scalp trade, I will prefer to have a high leverage. No new funds in crypto. Sadly, my boss scammed me for my last paycheck. Okay, very sad to hear you. Try to manage at least $50 to get funded with accounts, and I'm pretty sure that you will pass challenges. And just check it out. Okay, I will just show you that. Okay, that's good. Solana is currently Solana has already upped around 155. You should book some profit at 155 if it games. So you should book some profit. Okay, so I'm talking about this one. Yeah, I'm talking about this one. This is really good. You can try it out. If you have if you are struggling with less capital, you can just go and try it out. This one, this is a HYRO trader. HYRO trader is a proprietary trading firm which provides up to $5,000 of capitals to their traders, and they don't provide simulated funds. They don't provide demo accounts. They just provide demo accounts for the past their challenges, and they don't provide for real trading. They provide real accounts with real balances for your trading, and you can withdraw up to 90% of your profits. And the basic plans starts from $89, so we can just go and try it out if you are struggling with, because they have a very good support, personal support, so you can have it. Okay, $59, still good, and within this, if you pass the challenge, you will get a good you will get profitable. Maybe you will definitely get profitable with this one. Okay, you can try it out. They are trusted. They're completely trusted, by the way. Just go and try it out. We did. Okay, we're back. I think we have liquidated much longs below this area, so I think we need to have some reversal right here. So I have taken another entry in Bitcoin, so we have already liquidated. Let me just see it. Okay, we have liquidated. Okay, we have liquidated longs, that blind longs, what we can say, that blind longs that has been opened when BTC has trying to break out, when BTC has pumped around 64. Okay, so that blind longs has been liquidated currently. So this is the area we can get a reversal, a strong reversal in Bitcoin. And Solana is actually looking bullish. If BTC takes a reversal from here, then Solana is going to come back really strong than any other tokens. And my target for Solana is 157, around 157 to 156. You can book if you have less capital, you can book around 155, 500, 156. Okay, so let's see. Actually, altcoins not bleeded that much because Bitcoin dominance is falling. Solana might Solana will go higher from this area. And look at here also that we have placing some VIX, and that's a clear bullish indication that market is not ready to fall it down. And I've been correct every single time in this market, at least in this bear market, and we haven't made any losses since 2 weeks. And we have made losses in altcoins, just that have posted 2 or 3 trades, and we had that losses in STX or any 1 or 2 coins we have made losses. So at least in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, we don't make loss, and we majorly trade on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. If we have if your trade is going at wrong direction, you can hold it on in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. And instead of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, I will prefer Ondo and Render or any RWA tokens, Ton, maybe Ton. So I prefer that instead of bullshit altcoins or shit coins or meme coins. Okay, I'm expecting a strong reversal, and I have posted the trade on my Telegram about it's not free, but I've posted the trade of Bitcoin short, and I've getting regret of that. I have exited it early, and we have exited at 63k, not 63k. Yes, we have exited around 63k. So that's some kind of regret, and we have seen this levels. So let's see. Now I'm building a long position, and that's there's several reasons I'm building a long position. Okay, I think this is the best area to to accumulate Ton in spots. And why I'm saying that, because if you look at Ton is a Telegram native token, some sort of Telegram native token. So whenever this whole crap of 𝗥𝗲𝗶 is going to be ended, we will go higher from these areas. So whenever we're going to whenever 𝗥𝗲𝗶 is going to be released, just like next month, we have, I think 29 September is the date where CZ has been released. So at that day, we might see Bitcoin will at 74k above or 70k. So that's okay. Solana, if you have to book some profits, you can book it now. Solana at a very good area. Look at here, that Solana is very good area. You can book down some profits right here. And if you, and please keep your stop losses on your entries around 153. So there is a fair price for now, and fair price to book now. And if you have to risk it, so you can risk it around 156, not more than that. If you I think I will suggest you to book 50 to 60% around 156 dollars. Why? Because we don't have any clear direction. And look at Bitcoin has corrected really well, and that's some sort of good sign for us, and I'm expecting some good reversal from here. Okay, let's check in weekly time frame. Okay, yeah, most around 200 to 300 million dollars of liquidation still going above us, 166,000. So I think our first target for Bitcoin long position, we have currently opened it now. So our first target for Bitcoin long position is around $66,000, where we get where we have short liquidations of almost 300 to 400 million dollars, and that's the good area. That's a fair area to look at. Okay, suggest me any altcoins if you want to check it out. Suggest me any altcoins if you want to check it out. Suggest me. Where do you trade? Sui, come on. Okay, Solana trade performing really well. Solana, I think I suggest you to book some profit at we are at very good area, so you can book your profits. You can book your profits in Solana. Solana at very good area. I think I suggest you to book at least some amount, 50%, at least 50% you can book right now. Sui has dumped really hard. There is no long entry in Sui I'm looking at, but there is the area where can Sui bounce up. I think this will be the area around 84, 85 cents. Sui will bounce, maybe, because we have a support of 200 EMA, and 200 EMA in crypto market is very good to check out. And we have previously bounced from this, and I think this is the area to look at. And Sui, if you want to long it. In short, not looking at short currently because market is trying to get reversed in it. Okay, okay, crypto inter. Do you trade meme coins? Yeah, yes. I have traded meme coins, and I buy meme coins. I am a big fan of meme coins. I've made my best amount of money in meme coins. I made my best amount of money in Pepe, and I'm an early investor in Pepe, where Pepe was trading on Ethereum, where you have to swap Pepe with Ethereum. I have trading Pepe since that time, and I'm still holding it. I'm still expecting my bags will hit 1 million. Still expecting my bags will hit 1 million in Pepe. Currently, I think I've shared my screenshot on my Telegram, by the way. Okay, this is that. Okay, I've bought at $5,000, $6,000, 2 entries I've taken in Pepe, and currently I'm in profit of $280,000, and still I'm not booked single dollar in my Pepe. I still believe that Pepe is too cheap right now. You can hold it, and I don't know you or you gonna hold it or not, but I'm definitely holding Pepe until I hit my $1 million in Pepe. I'm holding it. Look at my average buying price. It's crazy. Currently, BTC so it looks good. Currently, I've longed Bitcoin. I'm long in Bitcoin and Solana and Ethereum also, but very low leverage, almost 5 to 10x leverage. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Which meme coin should I buy now? Okay. Meme coin, there is several meme coins you can buy it. For spot, obviously I'm not going to do future trade, but currently I am very much impressed with Ponke community, Ponke Solana. I think it's have a huge potential, and I am buyed every single fucking dip in Ponke. I buy every single fucking dip in Ponke, and Ponke is that I'm going to hold it until it's reach 2.5 or $2. Okay, Ponke, I'm going to hold my Ponke until it hits 2 or $2.5. That Pepe is coming to BTC. You may interested to hear that Pepe is coming to BTC. What do you mean? I don't understand your question, by the way. Voided. I don't understand your question. What you are trying to tell me? Can you explain me what are you trying to tell me? Okay, a new protocol is creating a Pepe coin on the Bitcoin chain directly onto the chain. Okay, I don't aware of this news. Thank you for telling that. But okay, but I'm talking about Ponke. Ponke is a very good project currently. And their community is really solid, and I have checked their Instagram, and they are completely active here. Almost 393k followers out on their Instagram, and they posting regular memes out there. A new protocol named OPNet. Okay, I know OPNet. We are accepting that, launching, and it will allow programmability on Bitcoin, like on Sol or Ethereum. Yeah, Yeah, thank you for that. So I am looking at Ponke will eventually, let's monitor Ponke market cap. BTC at 62k. Sorry. Okay. You search it down. Do you know Ponke? Have you invested in Ponke? I am heavily invested in. I have recently, in recent BTC dip, I have bought almost $10,000 of Ponke. Okay. Currently Ponke at $166 million of market cap. Still good. Let me check this daily time frame. Previously Ponke has created a bullish flag pattern and break. And then okay. So Ponke is still cheap. I think they have a huge community out there, and if I think here is a good area to buy Ponke. This is sort of bottom for Ponke, maybe. Maybe this is the bottom of Ponke, and this is a good area, good buying zone. And if you still buy and sell it right now here, so you can still make 50-60%, but that's a risky one. And I'm holding this until it reaches. I'm early investor in Ponke also. I've invested right here almost 100 million at market cap, and still it's not too early, but I've invested it at $100 million of market cap. And sadly I have no SOL exposure, not investing in SOL memes. Okay, so meme coins are really meme coins can really make a huge amount of profit, and I have experienced that, and that's why I've asked you. You can trade with low amounts. At least you need $20-$30 to deposit in your SOL wallet, phantom wallet. So I think if you get a little bit money, so you can just invest in it and dump in it some meme coins, you will get rewarded really good. As an investment point of view, it's still good, but it's just like that. If you investing in meme coins, is you need to invest the money you are ready to lose. Had $30 but got scammed. Okay, I think you get rugged. I'm not talking that investing in it newly launched projects, and you need to trade with Trojan bot, but I am saying that I've also lost almost $3,000 to $4,000 in meme coins, in by the CTOs rugging it. So, but I've not stopped. I'm not stopped investing in it, and I've choose different style of investing. I've choose tokens who have at least $50 million of market cap, which we are here to survive in this market, in this meme coin market, and which have a huge potential to get listed in centralized exchanges. So I've started investing in that kind of tokens. And if Ponke reaches 1 billion market cap, that's the most likely scenario I'm looking at, as we'll get easy 9 to 9x, easy 9x in Ponke, almost right here. Let me just zoom it out. $1 billion. Okay, almost 400% of return from current market price. So that looks really good profit if it reaches that area. Okay, BTC is trying to come back. Solana is still stabling out. Ponke has very good community, and I've also given a call of this in my premium channel. And instead of Ponke, I'm looking another three. I'm showing another 2 coins. I'm looking at 𝗥𝗲𝗹. 𝗥𝗲𝗹 is really good. 𝗥𝗲𝗹 is another very good token. You can buy it. Okay, it's still at $184 million of market cap. If it comes below this area, you can grab at $133 million of market cap. Or I think 𝗥𝗲𝗹 is had that hype. Instead of 𝗥𝗲𝗹, you can try FabTax. FabTax is another one. In our community, I prefer to invest in long-term projects at the moment, since I have no capital, trying to slowly grow. Okay, that's the good strategy, by the way. That's a good strategy. I appreciate you. That's the good strategy you have. Okay. FabTax is another one. I think it's a very low market cap, but I'm betting on this one very big. I've invested almost $7,000, and if it came down right down here at 1 million, I will invest more, around $3,000 to $4,000 more in this one. And I'm targeting $100 million of market cap. And why I'm catching this one, because I am looking that in November there is no Fab November. You know the thing, no Fab November. So at that time, this token could get really good hyped, and I'm expecting that this will get hyped at that time. Okay, so currently they have still good 384k liquidity. I will say this is good amount of liquidity, but not ideal amount of liquidity. Okay, still I'm saying this is a good one. Took profit on solo. Good one, very good. How much you made it? How much we made it in sold one. How much profit you get it in Solana? Please check XRP. XRP guys came in. XRP guys came in chats. XRP. See, $1. Yeah, looks good. Still good. Okay, XRP also has the same. I haven't checked in XRP by the way. So XRP has also the same trend line support, and I think there is a good area to buy if XRP comes right here. Okay, if XRP comes right here, there is a good opportunity to buy again, but still we have another support right here, so you can long XRP with a stop loss. Okay, you can buy XRP. Nice one. Thanks for calling it. Okay, you can long XRP with the stop loss of closing below this area, and your target would be around this. Let me just try it for you. The target should be right this area. You can book some profit out here at this high of candle. You can book some profits. Okay, well, so you can long if XRP allows, but currently I'm not looking at. I think BTC will do some strong reversal from this area. I am thinking that Bitcoin will go at $63,000 until tomorrow morning. I'm saying this in live. Maybe I get wrong, but I am expecting that. I think that we have a almost done with that liquidity game, and this is the time to pump it up. This is the time to pounce it up. Okay, crypto inter. Okay, what? Check with CAD. Okay, check with CAD. I think I have with CAD in my screen only. Okay, here. Okay, with CAD is extremely bullish right now. This is another Solana token, and with CAD is bullish. Where you can buy it? Daily time frame. I'm not seeing any entry points to long it, but in futures I think it's good. I think it has been. This is a 200 EMA maybe. Yes, this is a 200 EMA. They are getting rejected from this one. Okay, so Ton is kind of making a double pattern if we get again hit in this area. Ton is currently bouncing back because Ton has already fallen too much. Again, Solana has came at 154. Thank God you booked the profit. Voided. That's a good one. Any other trade you are looking at now, guys? Any other coins you are looking? Please suggest me. If you are interested, you can read this. What I can read? What you're talking about it? What are you talking about it? pretty interesting. What if anything is personal, you can just DM me, and if it not, you can just uh, comment down below. Just comment down below. Bitcoin target. Okay, Bitcoin target. Bitcoin. Okay, if you have to long it, you can long right here. Here's a good area to long it, and here's a fair area to long Bitcoin right now. And targets. Let's see. Let's discuss the targets. We target around 58k. That's what I mentioned in this chart. So the target should be at 68k, but you have to book around $66,000. Your first target would be 66k, second target would be 68k. That's the simple one. But make sure you use low leverage. Make sure you use low leverage, not more than 10x. Not more than 10x. Okay. Open at BTC. Okay. And Motoswap BTC. I have become very interested this project and have been motivated to try it out. Okay, I'll check it later. I'm taking another long in Bitcoin with my another account, by the way. Okay, I'm taking a live Bitcoin long of almost $1,000, almost a long 2 BTC with the 100x leverage. Okay, no, yeah, 100x leverage. I'm looking for a strong reversal. If it breaks below 61,500, I will close it in daily time frame. But I'm taking this trade in daily time frame. Okay, I'm taking this trade live in front of you. Just longed it, and I will share the screenshot of it in front of you. Just sharing the screenshot on my Twitter. so you can get it. Okay, I've just posted the trade I've taken in Bitcoin. Here is this one. Just taken it Bitcoin long at 61,826, 61,830. Okay, sorry. We just taken this trade in front of you in live. This chart I've shared in my premium channel, the how BTC will go. So first entry would be a secure entry, 100x long. Wow, oh yes, I have pretty good confidence on this one, that's why. But I use less capital. I used almost 2% of my capital, and that's why I've used high leverage. For swing trades I don't use high leverage. For scalps I use high leverage. It's useful, and I will book my profits around 64k, so that's why I've used this. I haven't used my 5% of capital also, so that's why I have used this leveraged. Okay, liquidation heat map is just saying that we will go higher, and I trust liquidations might take along as well. Okay, you can take it, but use low leverage. Not like me, I'm a degen. I don't care if I lose 1,000 because I will make it another. But you have to save your capital first, so you can use 20 or 15x leverage to long it. This is a good area. Currently at 700, so that's the good area to long it. It's not it's look like a healthy retest. And your first if you have to play safe, you can book your targets around $63,000 to 62,500. That's what you can do. My one account, I think, get okay, RSI touched 30. I don't use RSI, by the way. Okay, one exchange has given me bonuses to trade. I just took trade like a degen on there, so I don't withdraw the much profits out there. I can withdraw profits, but I don't need it. So I've taken just normally a trade around 63k, and it's liquidation around, what do you say, your This liquidation around where almost 61,700, and just I got liquidated on this, and they have provided me almost $30 of future bonuses. Just trade on their platform to show people my profit cards, but I just took trade like Dijon out there, so I just got liquidated on this one. I've just taken for fun. I just taken the trade for fun. Okay. Let's look at liquidation. I think we have corrected much more. Okay, for my Bitcoin swing long position, so many bears right now. No, bears gonna wrecked. For my Bitcoin long position on my challenge account, we have taken a challenge. We all know that I've taken a challenge of turning $100 into $1,000, and we have currently a balance of 667, almost 667 to 670 maybe. Okay, so on that account I have taken two long positions, almost $300 in Ethereum long, almost $100 in Bitcoin long, and okay, I've added more in my position, and I think we have already liquidated too much people down there. So I'm still saying again and again, we have to get a big reversal right now here. And if you take in long, yeah, and 5% of profit, 5% of profit in this one. I've triggered in early, no problem. I DC that. Okay, $100 in Bitcoin and $300 in Ethereum, by the way, on my challenge account. Almost $400 logged in. I don't take more trades on this account. If I take more trades and if it goes away from my, so maybe I get liquidation, which wish me luck. My liquidation at 61,285. That's too risky. That's too risky, brother. That's too risky. You should have your stop loss around 61,500, but you will not make more money if still. But I wish you, man. BTC will come back up to 62,500. 62,500 at least. That area we can book some respectable profits. Okay, but I'm not expecting much dump from here. I used 50 cents, so not bothered. Okay, that's looks pretty good. So you're gonna get that much losses. So my strategy is basically that if I'm using 100x leverage, I will use 1 or 2% of my capital, and if I'm using 10 or 20x leverage, I will use my 10 to 12% of capital. So it's all about capital game. You have to use your capital wisely. If you use like a degen, like blindly, so you will get to suffer losses. Okay, Can you just tell me what's your average entry price? What's your average entry price? Use 50 cents. What it? I think you're trading in isolated. Once you have $100, your roadmap would be pretty simple. By the way, you just need to click your first 100. Then it's going to be pretty easy for you. $61,829. Okay, as same as me. Okay, you can hold it, but you be careful. I am expecting a strong reversal from here. I am expecting 68k should be the region, and I have entered like a degen, man. So let's see. I think we also tested EMA 50 right here. EMA 50, and that's the good thing. Let's go full speed. 66k, come on, give me that 66k region. I have entered at around 61,800. My entry price around 61,800 because I have DC'd it at around 61,600 almost. So that's why. Come on, give me that 66k. Give me that 66k, man. Let me just share the message on my premium. If you haven't, if you have not long dollar BDC, here is golden chance to long it. My DCA done. A 66k with 50 cents would make me $5. Okay, that looks interesting. But I would prefer if you should book some profit if you have $1 or $2, around $1 or $2 of profit. You can book some profit. It's maybe 75%, and keep that position hanging out there with entry level stop loss. My DCA done. Full speed 66k. I'm telling this in live. Nobody's fucking out there who will tell you long Bitcoin long here, and it will go at 66k. And let's see how it will go. I'm completely really bullish on Bitcoin. I am expecting that, but I'm very confident that Bitcoin will go at 66k. My first target would get probably hit, and if not, hard luck. But stay positive. We are going to 66k. So I think it's high time now. It's time to wind up this whole stream, and We will come back tomorrow at the same time. Please make sure you join me out there. So that's much for this live stream. Keep your stop losses there, keep your longs ready, and if it comes at 500, it's a good area to DCA it. I'm gonna DCA it again, but I'm not expecting that. Now we will go downwards, full speed upwards. Tomorrow maybe we see 66k. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, peace out.